This might be the coolest thing ever.
Yeah.
How much are the glasses? Morning.
You want the little one, babe? The little shit? You want the little shit?
Oops, sorry. Do you have any video game stuff this year?
Not this year.
Not this year.
Yeah.
45.
Oh my god.
Sorry about that. I'll put these down. Yeah, these are.
How much is this?
That one is 10.
Thank you.
I'm glad you like them.
Is this a tissue container?
Yes.
Put that in your office.
Are you done looking at these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. They got the sticks in them, but the glasses are underneath them.
Pretty
The
cool
whole
pins.
ones.
Yeah, they are.
The Yu-Gi-Ohs.
Oh yeah, I like the Yu-Gi-Ohs.
They're kind of like those smelly sticks that you just put in the jars. There's this one, and then there's this.
How much are the pins?
Those on that board are 5.
$5 a piece.
Little Smurfs.
I know. Smurfs are cool.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Strawberry shortcake.
I make these pin boards.
You make the pin boards?
They're made from EVA foam. They self-heal.
Oh, that's cool.
And we
These are Loungefly and
reuse
Funko.
like old frames that we find from like
That's awesome.
They're 5 each.
Salvation Army and such.
That's awesome.
Oh, I like the Beetlejuice.
You want these guys. They're big pins.
Yeah. That's just cool.
These guys. Did you tell them how much these guys are?
No.
$1 each.
Those are $1 each.
Oh, you gotta get the mystery machine. And Ghostbusters.
Oh, Ghostbusters?
Serial killers in there.
Oh, that's cool.
Speedy.
Huh?
For those.
Oh, yeah.
That's $2.
You gotta get this guy
Ghostbusters.
if you want.
Alright, I think I'm just gonna get these ones here.
Okay.
No Disney pins?
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, you had them all?
This woman came and bought the entire board.
This morning? Oh.
Like right at the very beginning.
I mean, I have Disney pins more in there, but they're way more expensive.
Yeah, I got you.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is
Need.
so 13.
Alright, thank
Oh
you.
my god, can I get this?
Yes.
This is
It's
super cute. Oh my gosh. Just because she pops out.
Isn't she adorable?
She's so
Thank
cute.
you.
How you doing, man? I gotta ask, where'd they all come from?
I buy them and restore.
You buy them, restore them.
Yeah.
I bought one at a garage sale one time. I almost broke my back trying to load that thing up, man.
If you watch this channel long enough, you know that I once bought a fire extinguisher at a garage sale, and I instantly regretted it as soon as I bought it. That thing weighed hundreds of pounds, and it was so hard to move and get around. I actually lifted that thing up in the truck by myself, and I literally left the garage sale with a fire extinguisher that rolled around my truck for weeks because I didn't want to unload it.
You restored these?
Yeah,
It's awesome.
Restored them. This one I bought yesterday.
It's a heavy.
It's heavy, man.
It's a tough business, man.
Oh my God, it looks beautiful.
Oh yeah, they look awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Morning. How much are your video games?
3 apiece.
You guys have any more, or is this it?
Oh, that's it.
That's it. Okay. How much are the glasses?
10.
Super cute.
Yeah. Pick those up. like that case. Feel that case. That actually might be my size.
Yeah. They look nice.
How much are the shoes?
Those are 40.
40.
And those are 50. Yeah, it's got a special.
Actually, let me look this
armament
way.
that,
Oh. Oh, wow. I would have been here forever.
it's barely been used.
Oh, yeah. Was underneath that one. Oh, okay.
You haven't been open, so. Still there.
You need a wireless microphone for the house? Walk around and just start singing?
Do I?
No. You do a good job without one, all right?
I had a car karaoke one time and it disappeared. I wonder where it went.
How much is this?
40.
40.
That was used like 2 or 3 times.
This drum set's comps are all over the place, anywhere from $60 to $100. I just decided to pass on it.
All right. I got the glasses and so I had the 2 games and the glasses. So it's 16.
I have multiple businesses. I have my card business, I have my picking business, and it makes things a little bit more difficult when it comes to planning my goals, but also my finances. This is where today's sponsors comes in. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Relay, Relay is a no hidden fee online banking and money management platform. It helps people like myself, small businesses, manage their money and try to figure out where things are coming and going. This is where Relay really helps. I'm able to open up 20 different checking accounts. I have one for my card business account, one for my picking account. I also have a savings account put aside for rainy day funds. I'm able to put money as for buying. So it allows me to have multiple accounts there to separate money different ways. This way I'm more organized and I see which business is actually being more profitable because things were getting a little crazy there for a while. Another great thing is that Relay allows me to schedule all my payments in one place, ACH, wire transfers, whatever I need to do. So I don't have to go to multiple places, which makes life so much easier right now. If you're a small business owner, you need to scan this link right here or click on the link down below. You need to take back your finances. You need to get things back under control because Relay is banking for the way that we do business. Thanks for Relay for sponsoring this video. They had this Disney waffle maker which had Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy on it. We ended up picking this up to keep at the house here. It's perfect when our niece and nephews come to visit.
5.
An extra $1.
Oh, you're fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The shoes?
I'd like to get 15, but they're brand new.
I noticed the table down here was covered in collectibles from Funko Pops to manga to anime. Unfortunately, it was filled with a bunch of people there right now, and they were trying to make bulk deals, so I just decided to get out of here and try to move on to the next sale.
$10 a book, so how many books are there? 13 and 14. So.
Yeah. Morning. This might be the coolest thing ever.
Yes.
Giant gumball machine.
Yes, and it works.
It works.
Of course it works. It's got a bit cleaned out, but it has the key,
Mm-hmm.
the user's manual, and it has parts to put for. Oops.
I took a picture, send to my buddy. What are you asking for it? 150.
150.
How much in the hat? Any lounge flies?
That's that's the whole closet is filled. All right on that one.
I bet. Hey, he's always looking out for you.
I do.
He does.
A happy wife is
He never says no.
a happy wife is a happy life.
There you go.
I used to own a video store.
Uh-huh.
That used to be my video store. That's
Wait, what
how
type
I
of video?
have
Like a
it.
video game store or a video rental?
Video rental.
Really?
No, I used to own
VHS, DVD?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What'd you do with all your old like VHS and stuff like that?
The last grouping I sold all.
Oh. Good morning.
He's not?
Thank you very much.
Morning.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, man. Jess, there's some bags.
What's that?
I was talking to my wife.
How are you doing today?
No cards this time?
Nah, you know what? When I get there's usually sell pretty quick.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Yeah, I bought some from you one of the years at your sale.
Is that a 7 there?
You run the shop up on 41?
No, I don't own a shop up there, but
You look like the guy.
I'm gonna buy this. Do you mind if I set it down?
Oh, yeah.
Because I want to keep
Can
looking.
I get this fancy pocket?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
See what time it is. On the other side.
Let me know when you're ready. Oh, okay. Whenever you're done. Okay. Yeah.
how much are these? Are 5 ones.
Yeah, they have everything organized.
Is that for all games or just those?
All of
Okay.
them. You ready?
I don't think you guys could hear, but he just told me he would do 50% off on all the games, whatever they're priced at. So I'm just going to make a stack here for all the games I want to get.
And this is another 600.
Thank you.
What about the accessories half off too, or are those not?
Yeah, I'll do half off on those
Cool.
too.
I'll take those as well.
She the lady, she just started laughing.
Usually groups of women like stay at homes that like when their kids get older they form groups and they
Solve crimes. I seen that. I was watching a
Where do I
YouTube
find
video.
one of those groups?
I was watching a YouTube video on that, and I was like, man, that's awesome.
That's really fun. Gets you out of like your element for a minute,
Yeah.
you know?
Can you do any better on this one? You have 30.
I
This
do
one,
15 on it because it's been sitting around.
I'll take that. This one not working either.
Yeah. I'll do 5 on that one if you just take it.
Done.
Yeah.
Take that one too. I'm sorry.
Tell you what, I'm gonna start adding.
Yeah. Sorry, Adam.
We'll add it all up and then I'll basically cut it in half.
Yeah. So
Right, I did
40.
15.
Yeah. So if you're gonna cut these,
40, yeah.
Yeah. So that's 47.
7.
That'd be 52. This would be 50.
50.
So that's what, 102, I think. And then we have plus another 12. So it should be 114.
Okay.
So 114 divided by 2, so plus 15, puts us out to $72.
I'll do 70.
Cool. My wife's probably gonna get some stuff too, so we'll just keep that in the bag. We're at 70 there. What's the story with this one? Does this not work?
It works. It's just I found it in the unit. You can turn it on and it powers up. It's just it doesn't have the side controls
Oh, gotcha.
or the actual
The base on it.
the plug or whatever.
Plug, yeah.
Always ask because some people don't like these on the hand over there. Thank you very much.
You're built in such a way that you look good and stuff like that. I think I would
This is one of those boxes that just keep you like. This is like. They're like this.
Entertained, yeah, that'd be great for Natalie. She's on that stage right now.
I'll give you all of this for playing.
Would you like a bag?
And that's a stack. I think what? How much was the phone? Was that $1?
7. I'll just do this.
Okay.
It's 70.
Cool. You still buying a lot of units?
Yeah, it's been kind of slow here lately because of my job. I've been
Thank you.
traveling quite a bit, and I let it die down because usually around mid-April and May time frame with taxes,
Yeah.
and you get people bidding on these units. and
Gosh,
it's just
yeah.
like, they're paying.
Because they got that tax money.
They want to try it, but and then they bid each other up. A unit that I'm not going to pay over $200
Yeah.
for, I see they're going for $700, $800, $900, and I mean, unless they get lucky and there's something just.
Listen. You learn your lesson the hard way, man.
Yeah, I mean.
People don't realize how much work it is, especially when you
Anybody-
got furniture and stuff.
Anybody that wants to try this, what I tell them, I was like, you take a certain amount of money and a lighter, whatever you're willing
Yeah.
to burn,
Yep.
and it's not going to hurt you. That's what I would say.
That's
your first budget.
That's a good, yeah. And I think the biggest mistake people, they don't know how they're going to move this stuff or where they're going to put it. All right, man. You have a good day,
Yeah, I
man. Nice talking with you.
appreciate that, John.
Yep.
Good one. Good luck.
Yep. Thank you.
Unfortunately, our day got cut short because it was bad weather and it did start raining on us. But let's talk about those sales. I always have a blast when my wife wants to go out with me. It doesn't happen very often because she does work at the hospital and sometimes she has to work on the weekends. Unfortunately, we were a little late at that first yard sale. Someone already bought all the Disney pins before I got there. And you guys know, watching the channel, I love myself some Disney pins and I've done really well with those in the past. So unfortunately, I missed out on those. How about that big giant gumball machine? I wish I could have bought that, put that in my house, but I don't have any room for it. She went $150 for those. I've seen those things sell for $150. I've seen them sell for $400 in the past. But the coolest thing was the backstory to it. She used to have a video rental store, which did like VHS and DVDs. And she said that she used to have that in her store. I asked her if she had any of her old VHS. Unfortunately, she said she sold it at like a previous sale. Could you imagine digging through an old video store's like DVDs and VHS collection? I would have been absolutely heaven. That was probably a huge gold mine. And then we get to that last sale. That guy was super cool. The guy buys storage units and he always comes across a bunch of video games. He does a garage sale probably like 4 or 5 times a year to blow out the stuff he gets in storage units. And he said he was just sitting on this stuff for a while. He sold me everything for 50% off. Here's one thing that people always overlook: broken handheld consoles, Game Boys, Nintendo DS's, 3DS's. They sell great on eBay. People buy them to repair them. So if you guys get them cheap enough, you can do really well. Also, too, people always overlook the containers that those handhelds are in. The Game Boy SP container goes anywhere from like $15 to $20. And a lot of times people just include that with the actual system. Anytime I find those at garage sales, I always sell those separate from the actual console because you can actually do really well with those. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one checking out the channel here. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.